Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram notifications not working on iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you want to fix Instagram notifications, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now you have to go to your app store and search for Instagram. And now you have to simply download and install the latest version of Instagram app. So I do this, and after this open your Instagram and then go to menu. From here tap on three dots button and now go to notifications, and here check if this toggle, which means pause all, is not turned on. So I simply turn it off and go to sleep mode, and also turn off this toggle. After this go back, and now you have to simply turn off the toggle for messages only as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and go to general, and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. If there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to background app refresh, and from here go to uh, Instagram and turn on the toggle for Instagram from here as well. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to notifications, and from here check if your notifications are turned off. If they are turned off, simply turn them on, and after this you have to simply go back and you have to go to focus mode, and from here check if the focus mode is on. You have to simply turn it off and turn off the do not disturb mode as well. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.